Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty is more than just skin deep. It's all about confidence, creativity, and self-expression. If you've ever struggled to find a mascara that not only gives you bold lashes but also nourishes them, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the Wet n Wild Big Poppa Mascara, paired with their color icon 5-pan makeup palette in Walking On Eggshells. It's a duo that promises everything from intense volume to buttery soft shadows. So, if you're ready to elevate your makeup game, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews like this. Let's get into it. First up, the Wet n Wild Big Poppa Mascara. This mascara isn't just about delivering bold, voluminous lashes. It's about giving them some love while you wear it. The key ingredient here is castor oil, a nourishing powerhouse loaded with omega-6 fatty acids and essential proteins. These nutrients help to boost and strengthen your lashes, making this mascara an excellent choice for both the glamour and the care it provides. The Hourglass brush, equipped with over 500 bristles, is designed to catch and lift every last lash. From root to tip, you'll notice the immediate boldness and separation, which is key for creating that full, dramatic lash look. What I love is the deep, intense black pigment. The mascara delivers the darkest, richest lashes without any smudging or flaking throughout the day. And yes, you get that oh-so-glamorous pop without any heavy feeling on the lashes. Moving on to the Wet n Wild Color Icon 5-pan makeup palette in Walking On Eggshells. This palette offers a gorgeous mix of buttery soft and blendable pigments. You can easily mix and match the shades to create different looks, from soft daytime neutrals to a more dramatic evening look. The formulas glide on smoothly and are easy to blend without feeling chalky, making them a dream to work with, whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro. I've tested this combination multiple times, and here's what I've found. Both products perform exceptionally well. The mascara gives long-lasting volume without clumping or flaking, even after a long day of wear. The eyeshadow palette offers versatile shades that can be worn together or individually. The shimmer and metallic finishes are especially beautiful, adding a flash of glam without being over the top. Now, no product is perfect, and here's where I think there's room for improvement. While the mascara offers bold volume and nourishment, if you're looking for extreme length, you might need to layer it up a little bit. For the eyeshadow palette, the pigmentation is great for most people, but those with darker skin tones might need a primer or base for the colors to really pop. Both of these products are incredibly affordable, so if you're working with a budget, they're a great option. The mascara and eyeshadow palette both deliver fantastic performance, especially when considering the price point. The mascara's nourishing formula is a bonus, and the eyeshadow shades have a luxurious high-end feel without the high-end price. If you're looking for similar products, I'd recommend checking out other drugstore brands that offer nourishing formulas in mascara, like L'Oreal's Lash Paradise, or eyeshadow palettes from Maybelline for a similar range of wearable shades. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. Let's talk customer service. I've had no direct interactions with Wet n Wild's customer support, but based on reviews from other beauty enthusiasts, they seem to be responsive and helpful. It's always great to know that a brand stands behind their products. To wrap it up, the Wet n Wild Big Poppa Mascara and Color Icon 5-pan makeup palette are solid, affordable options that deliver on their promises. The mascara gives bold volume and nourishment, while the eyeshadow palette offers versatile, blendable shades. They're ideal for anyone looking to enhance their beauty routine without breaking the bank. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.